Hi, this is Sanjeev. Let's see how to add a ringtone in your iPhone. Open iTunes and check if you have ringtone column on your left side. If not, go to Edit, Preferences, click your ringtones and click OK, and you will see ringtones on your left. Click on Music and you will see list of songs in your library. Select a song you want it to be your ringtone. Right click on it and go to Get Info. Go to Options, Start and Stop Time. So you want to start your song from beginning, so leave it as 0. If you want to start somewhere in the middle, so best is you note your time by just playing the song and noting down the time on the top bar, which gives you a start time. So in my case, I wanted to be after 3 seconds. So I put start time as my 3 seconds and click on stop time as well and change that stop time to 0. I want the song to be stopped after 31 seconds. And make sure the difference between start time and stop time is not more than 29 seconds. If it is more than 29 seconds, it won't work. Then click OK. Now right click your song again and this time go to create ACC version and you will see a new song is created but with 29 seconds. And make sure in your previous song go to Get Info again, Options, and unticks your start and stop time so you can enjoy your song in full later. Now the new song created for 29 seconds, right click on that and click on Show in Window Explorer. So you will see the song is shown up in the Window Explorer, the top one in this case. And make sure you can see the extension of your file. If not, then click on Organize, Folder Options, View, and untick the box Hide extension for known files. In this case is already unticked, so nothing to worry about. And go back to your song and rename it. And I want to change that extension from A to R. And click enter and click yes. Now minimize that window, click on ringtones and open your window again and just drag and drop your song in your ringtone folder and close your window explorer and you can see the song appear on your ringtones for 28 seconds. Now connect your phone with your computer and you see your device here. Go to your device, ringtones, click on sync ringtones, selected ringtones, and select your ringtone there, and then click apply.